And we are here at Virginia Beach, Virginia. We are currently across the street from where the air show is going to be happening. There's the world's largest rubber duck. Got the tracker camera set up all the way over there. There's my table, got to get the umbrella. And I got this camera up here on the truck. But unfortunately, one of my tripods broke. So I was not able to get the third camera set up today. So we'll stick with two. There's the Starlink and there's Tommy. Yeah, Tommy came with us this time. Tommy's he's sleeping right now. We were in a very Tommy hotel last night, so. And there's all my crappy wiring. So yep, and then here's our views. All right, so I'm gonna get the umbrella set up. Tommy. Putting gas in the truck.
Tommy.
There's a Tommy truck right there. Wait, what's about it?
It's all like the paint's falling off.
We're in Maryland, filling up. I mean, like we're literally in the middle of nowhere, and then all of a sudden, sheets. It just exists.
Just spawn there.
It just spawned. I mean, literally, look. You go that way, nothing. Go that way, nothing. Then sheets. Let's look at this Tommy truck. Truck over there. Did you see that?
Yeah, there's a lot of dirt.
We're still in the car. We're underneath the ocean. Okay, this is the third time we're back in the lobby. This is just right here. Just go around him.
It's okay, buddy. I'm not gonna molest you.
So Tommy, reviews on this room?
It's Tommy approved, man.
I mean, look, you know, like there's stains on the floor over there.
There's brown shit on the face.
Brown shit on there.
Red roof in.
Or you mean days in?
Days inside. Matt alert. We should have brought.
Payment Rob anniversary.
Apparently
ours is sponsored. Look, the only new thing is that.
And there were 3 strippers outside.
Were they really strippers?
Those are strippers. one of them, I overheard when you opened the cameras and one of them was like.
You've probably seen this before. The world's largest rubber duck. If you don't believe me, well, there you go. You never thought I would start the stream like this, right? Anyway. Good God. Let's go ahead and go over our behind the scenes as we do at the end of each show. So here is my booth setup. As you can see, there's Tommy Clark right there. I stood with my umbrella, with my shade. Had the wagon as a support. And here's the laptop that I used. One screen to control this camera, which is the tracker camera. And for those, some people thought that it was automatically tracked. Actually, no. This is literally how I track things. I'll show you live here on air. See, look, I'm tracking a car. That's it. Just click and drag. That's all I'm doing. That's literally how I do it. And then to control the other camera, I'm using my iPhone 15. There we go. 15 Pro Max. So I'm controlling that other camera. Let's see here. So that's the booth. There's Tommy Clark again. All powered by the live stream truck once again. So, you know, got this inverter right here connected to the battery and run a cord all the way to in here with my very terrible wire management. There's the Starlink dish. And then here's one of the cameras, the static camera. The one that I actually have it on top of the truck. Truck needs to be throttled. It's got a bunch of exhaust stuff. Yeah, it does that when it idles for a long time. So she needs to, I need to step on the throttle and watch the stuff pop out. She needs to poop. There's our banner. And then the tracker camera, which is over here. Here it is on top of a table. That's where the tracker is. There's Tommy Clark again. Jeez, make sure we still got signal. Yes, we do. Mirror. So it was literally a nightmare to get here.
Oh.
So what? Explain this story. So go ahead.
So we were supposed to leave early in the morning, but we ended up leaving like around 1:30.
Yeah.
So we thought it would be like an easy 8.5, 9-hour drive up here, but it ended up being a complete nightmare because as we were driving up, we stopped like maybe 2 times max.
Yeah.
It was really good.
Yeah.
For a 9-hour drive, and we got to the bridge, and traffic was backed up. Again, it's probably like around, I don't know, 10:30 at night.
Probably.
We ended up not getting to our hotel close to 1:30. So there we are. We're tired. We're just like, okay, like you know, traffic just definitely killed us, but we gotta get up in the morning and get all this set up so we want to get some sleep because it's like almost 11-hour drive. I don't know.
Yeah, no shit.
But so we get to the hotel. We go to the front desk, or I don't know how long are we waiting. 25 minutes.
Yeah,
to be
about.
helped and everything.
About.
So we finally get helped. We get our first room. Now, keep a note, when we were supposed to get our room, we were supposed to have 2 beds. Well, we go to the first room, 1 bed.
1 bed.
1 bed. And after that, we're like, so we go back to the room.
No, we go back to the lobby.
We tell the guy.
And by the way, this is all at 2 o'clock in the morning. 2 o'clock in the morning, the night before this.
I'm tired. He's tired. You know, we're both pissed off. We're like, you know, we want to go to sleep now.
Right.
So we're waiting. The guy front, he's like helping us out. We're like, yeah, we need 2 rooms. You know, 2 bedroom. He's like, all right. So then 10 minutes later, gives us a new key. We go to the new room. Swiping at the door for literally 5 minutes.
And the door wouldn't open.
It wouldn't open.
And no green light, no red light, nothing.
Tried both keys. So like, oh my gosh. So then we go back down to the front desk again.
Yep.
And guess what's in front of like the building?
Oh yeah, geese.
A single geese. But then we got past them in time, so that wasn't good.
Yeah.
And we go in, we get our room, and we
finally get our room.
So then we go in. I passed out right away. I just didn't care. I was so tired.
Yeah, me too.
Well, then we get woken up 3 times in the middle of the night because people were just being loud outside. I'm like, dude.
It's Friday night, Tommy. Come on.
Now we're debating if we wanted to stay back there or find a new place. But I think we're just gonna suck it up and stay there.
Yeah. We're gonna suck it up. We're Tommies, so that's how we do it.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna probably go check some. I don't know, go drive around a little bit, go get some food definitely because we were hungry.
Yeah.
I don't want to let me off snacks anymore.
Well, yeah. I mean, we're here. We're here till Monday. So
morning,
if anyone's in Virginia Beach and wants to say hi to us, if you see the live stream truck, feel free to say hi. We love to see you.
What was that band thing called again?
I don't know. There was some beach buzz where the I don't know. All right, we're all done with the air show, so we're just packing things up. Get the cord there. There's all that. There's Tommy. Duck.
That's a duck.
That's a big duck.
Does that have a pond I can swim in and go?
Apparently. Unplug this. There's all these dead bugs from the drive.
Yeah, fucking genocide.
Innocent bugs, man. Innocent bugs.
Hey, that VIP video you're making, you should do like a zoom in for that bug.
No, it's and this is the moment of the last breath of this one lonely bug.
Look, its guts are still there. The other ones went up the window.
Now I gotta pack the Starlink dish. Just watch out. Oh, my bumper fell out. Well, time to strap it to the top. I decided to strap it to the top. Oh no! I strapped my bumper to the top. Look, you can see my engine. Yeah, man. Look at my car, man. Hey, Tommy.
Oh, okay. And of course, the co-deal. They're out of here.
Is he coming this way?
Oh, they're all coming.
Well, just as you thought the air show would be done. No, it's not.
Years.
Is there another one coming, or is it? Oh yeah, there's two. One right there too.
We'll go get up here.
Tommy. Bet you they're going out to stage until these guys jump. I don't know. Where are they? Yeah, the parachute team's out here too. Let's do it.
Why is Horizon so bad? Oh.
Tell me a funny story.
My grandfather told me when he was young, why you wrong? His dad would really come up and beat him for no reason. Not at this point, Matt probably has a junkyard in his parents' yard. Probably has a bunch of cars off. He's like, oh, I'm gonna blow my transmission. he always blows his transmission. And then he tries to sell it to people. Tommy! My Chevy S10 doesn't work anymore, Tommy. What should we do? I say we go to a repairman with money I can't afford.